Hello people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to link Instagram to Facebook. So for that, you need to go to your profile, then go for in this three line option, go for settings and privacy. After that, you have to go for account center here, then go for your profile. And now you can see here is the option as account add accounts. So you need to click on it. Now you have to click on add Facebook account. Or if you want to add Instagram account, then you can go for add Instagram account. So before now I have to go for add Facebook account. Now this is my Facebook account. So now you have to just go for continue. Click on yes, add Ritudash or your Facebook account's name. So you can see here my Facebook account has been added. So this is how you can link Instagram to Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.